Now let's move to question number 3 of exercise 1.1. The question is, find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Again, I will tell you the two ways of doing this. Students, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 can be written in decimal forms. If we divide 3 by 5, we will get 0.6, and if we will divide 4 by 5, we are getting 0.8. So now it is very obvious that we have to find numbers between 0.6 and 0.8, and these should be rational numbers between 0.6 and 0.8. So what all rational numbers are possible between 0.6 and 0.8? The one is 0.61, 0.62, 0.63, 0.64. So we got 4 rational numbers. We can also take 0.65, or we can take 0.7, which is between 0.6 and 0.8. So here are the few numbers. A very easy method we can use, like we can turn the numbers into decimal form, and then we'll simply write the numbers in between the given two extremes. Another method is, we will simply, like it's not very simple because it is very tedious, a lot of things has to be done. So we will simply add 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So we will add it. This is a fraction addition, and then we'll simply divide it by 2. So first we adding 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is, we have common 5 here, so we'll take 5 and we'll simply add 3 plus 4 and we'll divide it by 2. So we have 3 plus 4 is 7 by 5, and by 2, that is 7 by 5 into 2, that is 7 by 10. So what we got here is, if 3 by 5 is written here and 4 by 5 is written here, we got a rational number exactly at the middle by adding these two numbers and dividing it by 2, and that is 7 by 10. Okay. Now if we will add one of the extremes, that is 3 by 5, and we will add 7 by 5, and again we will divide these by 2, that is 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 and divided by 2, the number we are getting will be a number in between 3 by 5 and 7 by 10, which is actually in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So this is another way of finding rational numbers. Just add two extremes and you will find a new rational number in between, and we'll keep repeating, we'll find another 5 rational numbers. So quickly I will do this. I'll add these two. 10 is the LCM of 5 and 10, and then we have 6 plus 7 by 2, which is 13 by 10 into 2, that is 13 by 20. So one number was 7 by 10, and then another number was is 13 by 20, and we'll keep doing it. We'll keep getting new rational numbers. There is no end of getting rational numbers. There are exactly infinite rational numbers between any two given rational number. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. I'll keep uploading new videos, and I'll just finish this exercise 1.1 as soon as possible.